good morning, welcome to Mass Live. Sorry about yesterday, thank you for coming back. I just want to do a quick note at the beginning. A lot of you know that my daughter wasn't very well yesterday, therefore she's not at nursery today, and at the moment she's upstairs, so if you do hear any screeching or banging on, hopefully not crying, I do apologise and I'll try and go through as much as possible. So today's lesson, we're going to start with the times table test because that is scheduled at 10:15. We'll go through it, and then when we've finished, we're going to have a 5-minute break. So I'm going to log off. Everyone can have a 5-minute break, go and get some water or anything like that. And then I will then restart a live video on my page, and we'll go through the trapezium lessons. So we're going to do the times table, go away for a 5-minute break, and then restart. So then as well, when I upload it, it's 2 separate videos, if that makes sense, rather than blending it into one. So let's do some if you've tried the challenge, good, well done. Let's do some shout outs. We've got Rufus, hi. We've got Izzy, Ollie in South Africa, hi. We've got Ella, Chloe in Spain. We've got Khadija, we've got Robbie, hi Robbie. We've got Bella in Gosport, thank you Bella. We've got Liberty. We've got, wow, there's loads of you today, brilliant. We've got Maxwell and Sophia, yes, she's a lot better today, thank you. You might hear her, in fact. We've got Alex in Dorset, we've got Reese, we've got George in Somerset, we've got Eleanor, hi. I've just seen Eleanor, hello. We've got Mia, hello. Right, so the challenge question is, what is 3 times 3 times 3? So we're doing a bit of a multiplication warm-up. Okay, so let's put that down here. And I'll put my paper down there for now. So 3 times 3 times 3. This is finding out a cubed number. So this actually means 3 cubed. I'm going to see how these pens go on. I've got some new ones. So I'm just going to see how long. If they just break, I'm just going to throw them away. So 3 times 3 times 3. 3 cubed. So how do we tackle this? Well, what we've got to do is, first of all, do the first part, the 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And then we do add the second part onto that. So then we do 9 times 3, which is 27. So 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, and that is the answer to 3 cubed. And you do it with any number. If you ask for 6 cubed, you do 6 times 6 times 6. If you ask for 12 cubed, you do 12 times 12 times 12. Obviously, as the numbers get bigger, the second part of the calculation gets a little bit more complicated. But as long as you know the method, you're fine. And look what I got! All the things that make a difference. So now, hopefully, I shouldn't have to run off and find where I threw my whiteboard rubber, because it stays there. So that was one of the plus points of yesterday, that arriving in the meantime. Right, times table test. Those of you who are my patrons, you will have the little mini sheet with you. If you're not, don't worry. If you haven't got it, don't worry, you still get to take part. So what it is there's going to be 3 times tables each week. So I'm going to tell you what the numbers are, and then they're all going to be times by every part of the times table. So I will read them out, but obviously with patrons, you've got 3 gaps. So you've got all the times tables mixed up down the side, and you've got 1, 2, 3 gaps. So I will tell you what the 3 numbers are, and you can go. And for the rest of you, I will literally read out what the times table is. And I'll try and obviously this is the first lesson, so I'll try and judge the gap as best as possible. You might tell me at the end I was a bit too slow and I could have gone quicker. You might tell me that I was a bit too fast and go slower. So your feedback is amazing, okay? Right, so if you have the worksheet, your 3 numbers at the top are 3, 5 and 9. So 3, 5 and 9, and you can start working through that sheet. For the rest of you, you ready? Okay, so keep it mentally in your head and write your answers down. Okay, there's quite a few. So your first one, 3 times 5. 3 times 5. Next one, 3 times 8. 3 times 8. Next one, 3 times 6. 3 times 6. Next one, 3 times 4. 3 times 4. Next one, 3 times 9. 3 times 9. Next one, 3 times 7. 3 times 7. Next one, 3 times 1. 3 times 1. Next one, 3 times 12. 3 times 12. Next one, 3 times 11. 3 times 11. Next one, 3 times 10. 3 times 10. Next one, 3 times 9. Next one, 3 times 2. Next one, 5 times 5. 5 times 5. Next one, 5 times 8. 5 times 8. Next one, 5 times 6. 5 times 6. Next one, 5 times 4. 5 times 4. Next one, 5 times 9. 5 times 9. Next one, 5 times 7. 5 times 7. Next one, 5 times 1. 5 times 1. Next one, 5 times 12. 5 times 12. Next one, 5 times 11. 5 times 11. Next one, 5 times 10. 5 times 10. Next one, 5 times 3. 5 times 3. Next one, 5 times 2. 5 times 2. Okay, last set. Next one, 9 times 5. 9 times 5. Next one, 9 times 8. 9 times 8. Next one, 9 times 6. 9 times 6. Next one, 9 times 4. 9 times 4. Next one, 9 times 9. 9 times 9. Next one, 9 times 7. 9 times 7. Next one, 9 times 1. 9 times 1. Next one, 9 times 12. 9 times 12. Next one, 9 times 11. 9 times 11. Next one, 9 times 10. 9 times 10. Next one, 9 times 3. 9 times 3. And the last one, 9 times 2. 9 times 2. Okay, let's take a break for a second, have a check through. Okay, I hope that was all right. I was sort of counting on my hands for about 7 to 10 seconds, so. Okay, that's good. So you might have noticed it was the 3 times table, the 5 times table, and the 9 times table, one at a time, but all the numbers were mixed up. Okay, so we didn't just do 1 3 and 2 3s and 3 3s, I mixed them up. So, let's go through the answers. So, first one, 3 times 5, 15. 15, 3 times 5 is 15. Next one, 3 times 8, 3 8s are 24. 24. Next one, 3 times 6, 18. 6 3s are 18, 3 6s are 18. Next one, 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Next one, 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 9 is 27. Next one, told you. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 7 is 21. Next one, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Next one, 3 times 12 is 36. So 3 times 12 is 36. Next one, 3 times 11 is 33. 3 times 11 is 33. Next one, 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 10 is 30. Next one, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. And the last one on that row, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Right, for the next one, 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 1 is 5. Know that one. 5 times 12 is 60. 5 times 12 is 60. 5 times 11 is 55. 5 times 11 is 55. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 3 is 15. And 5 times 2 is 10. We know 5 times 2 is 10. Right, last one, the 9s. I've written a mistake on mine, I've just noticed. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 8s is 72. Okay. 6 times 9 is 54. Okay. 6 times 9 is 54. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 12 is 108. 9 times 12 is 108. 9 times 11 is 99. 9 times 11 is 99. 9 times 10 is 90. We know that. 9 times 10 is 90. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 3 is 27. And 9 times 2 is 18. Right, so let's see how we got on. So your total is 36. So there was 36 questions there. So, scroll down. Okay. Let's have a look. You're also busy. Right, yeah. No, we're not doing zeros, no. Because we know that a number times by 0 is nothing. Okay. Oh, well done! done. Good. Yes, some of you say, yay, did it. So you're answering in the box. That's absolutely 36 out of 30. Right. By the way, do tell me in the comment, even when this finished, if I went too fast or too slow. I know it's a balance. There's younger children, there's older children watching. I was trying to count. I'll vary the 3 numbers each week. We're not going to do timetables every single Friday. There'll be a lot, but in between I might throw like a different quiz or a different challenge. So not every single Friday is going to be timetables. Right, as I said, I'm just going to end the video. We're going to take a 5-minute break, and then we're going to come back for our trapezium lesson, okay, that was supposed to be yesterday. So well done. Go and get a quick drink. Settle down. I'll be back in 5 minutes on the page, so don't go anywhere. See you in 5 minutes.